Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 5-in-1 crimping pliers set from Parkside in a lovely box with 181 pieces. Soft pads here, I like it. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Include we have the manuals, some information how you can use the product. I will show you. And we have 5 different pair of adapters. H1, H2, H3, metal adapters, H4, and H5. Included we have 8 for 0.5 to 1 millimeter cable, another 4 from 1.5 to 2.5 millimeter cable, and another 3 from 4 to 6 millimeter cable. Next, we have 15 for small cables, another 10 here, that is very small on a black color. Next, we have another 10 on a blue color and another 5 on a gray color. And next, smaller, 15 of these, 12 of these. Let me show you a closer look. We have 8 of these, 5, 20, 10 of this, another 10 here, and then we have the smaller 15, another 15, and another 10 here. It makes it total 181 pieces. So many. So I will try and test some of this. And here it is and the tool. Soft elements, plastic, I like it. Just press and you can unlock. Press again to lock. Very easy to use. And of course here at the front you can install, let's start with the H1. These metal pair adapters. One goes here. Press this button to lock and unlock. Very easy. Just slide, press and it locks. To unlock, press this button. Same in here. And it locks. Press to unlock. I like it. Quite heavy. So what do we need? Cables. There's the cables. And for this tool I have made a video in the past. You can check right in the corner after the end of this video. Very good cutter. 4 millimeter cable. And I will use this first cable. It is in. And I will use the number 3. Cable is all the way in. Number 3. Oh yes, very tight. And then from the other side. Perfect. Number 3 again. Nice. That is very easy. And that is very strong. I like it. So let's move on. The next one, I will use 2.5 millimeter. And that is the blue. And I will use the second hole. Nice, very strong. Just love it. So easy. Makes your life easier to use this tool. And now I will use the 1.5 millimeter. Perfect. Fits perfect, like a glove. The first. Nice. Okay. And connect it with this end. Perfect. Nice. You can repeat, of course. Very good connection. And next, I will use other type. The H5. No, I will use the H2. Perfect. Some cables, I think this is a 0.75. This is the blue. Yes, the third. Perfect. Let's test and add the second. I like it, that is very strong. And of course you can repeat. Let's use the second now. Oh yeah, that's very strong. I like it. Now let's replace and use the H3. Perfect. With this is a larger 6 to 10 millimeter. I don't have a 6. Okay, I will use one smaller, 4 millimeter. Nice. And I will use the second. Okay, beautiful. Just press. Repeat another one. Wow, that is very strong. Beautiful. Let's use this with insulation. And again, 4 millimeter. Remove these adapters. Oh yes, I like it. And next, moving on, at the final, the fifth. And I will use this. It is from 4 to 6 millimeter. So that goes inside here. Strong bound. Just love it. So that was all. So easy to use this tool.